Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at what are the materials that are required for a Lippan artwork. Let me tell you one by one. So first thing that you need is a base to paint on. So that could be an MDF board, or it could be a cardboard, or it could be a plywood also. Here I have MDF in 3 different sizes. This is an MDF round board of 4 inches, and this is 8, and this is 12. So you can literally make Lippan art in any size of a board. It could be round, it could be square, rectangle, or any shape for that matter. So you definitely need a base, and that is this MDF board. On the base you will have to paint. Some people would like to paint the base with black and then with some other color, or you can paint the base directly with some other acrylic color. So here I have few acrylic colors to show you as an example. Any color of your choice. So it need not necessarily be this color or that color in particular. It could be any color of your choice. So first you need an MDF base, and then you need a color to base paint it. And once you do that, here is a Fevicryl molded clay. There will be 2 packs inside. You will have to mix them thoroughly to make a clay. In a while, I'll show you how to prepare a clay as well. So you need Fevicryl molded, and to stick the clay on the base, you either need a Fevicryl fabric glue, or you can also use Fevicol. I actually use both alternatively. And when it comes to Fevicol, I choose to buy a smaller bottle so that it is easier to handle. I don't buy the bigger ones. And then while you are preparing the clay, to prepare the clay, to mix and to roll and then create a strip out of it, you need a base where you can sprinkle some talcum powder and then roll the clay like this. So here is a base that I have for that purpose. And I use a talcum powder also. You can use any talcum powder that you have. I use Pond's. And of course, to draw circles and draw lines, you need all these materials. Rulers of different sizes. I have a ruler of 60 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 15 centimeters. And here I have 2 different compass. This is a smaller one, the regular one that we get in geometry boxes. And this is an engineering compass to make bigger circles, a normal pencil, eraser and a sharpener. And then you also need a protractor. If at all you want to draw some grids for creating a Lippan artwork and mandala, then probably you would need the protractor as well. You would need some paint brushes. So here I have brush row set of brushes here, both flat and round. Or if you aren't comfortable with such a long handle of paint brushes, you can also use the short ones. So here I have Faber-Castell's flat brushes and round brushes. You can definitely get it from Amazon. So you definitely need paint brushes for Lippan artwork. See, Lippan artwork is basically with clay and mirror, mud and mirror. So for clay we have this Fevicryl molded. For mirrors, there are different shapes of mirrors. Here I have only 7 of them. This is a circular mirror that I have. And here is a diamond shaped one. And here triangle, and this is square shaped mirror, and this is teardrops. Here is a rectangular mirror, and here is eye shaped mirror. You don't require all these shapes of mirrors for any Lippan artwork, but I am just keeping it so that I have varieties of choices when I create a Lippan artwork.